Today we are learning how to add smooth transitions between your video clips using VN Video Editor. Let's get started. Open your project in VN and make sure you have at least two clips on your timeline. Now, take a look between the two clips. You'll see a white square box with a plus icon inside it. That's your transition slot. Go ahead and tap on that plus icon. This opens up the transition library where you'll find tons of effects like dissolve, slide, zoom, glitch, and more. Tap on any transition to preview how it looks. Next, you'll see a duration slider at the bottom. Drag it left or right to make the transition shorter or longer, depending on the style you're going for. Once you're happy with it, just tap the check mark and boom, your transition is applied. You can do this between any clips on your timeline to give your video a smooth, professional flow. And that's it. You've successfully added a transition in VN Video Editor. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick editing tips. See you in the next one.